Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing July's edition of Look Fantastic, and this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous box. So as always, if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what contents I received this month, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It ships worldwide for free and it costs £15 a month. Now you can cancel any time, you can take out a monthly subscription, or you can take a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. Inside contains 6 beauty products. They range from makeup, hair care, skincare, and also you get a Elle magazine subscription, which is, I think it's £4.20 if you were to buy it in the shop. So out of all my boxes that I receive, I would say that this one is probably more skincare heavy. You tend to get a lot more skincare items than makeup. For instance, last month I believe we just had 1 makeup item, the rest was skincare. So if that takes your fancy, then I do think that this is an amazing box. It's one of my longest standing subscription boxes, and I've just taken out a 12-month subscription, and that brings the cost down to £13 a month. I also receive PR boxes from Look Fantastic, and I've been receiving them since the beginning of the year, and yeah, I'm really grateful. So sometimes I might put up my paid for box up for a giveaway, generally on my Facebook or Instagram page, which is the same as this channel, Diary of a Beauty Geek, or otherwise I keep it for myself or I gift it to a friend. So I want to keep my subscription running because I don't know how long PR lasts for, so I want to keep subscribing regardless. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I will link it down below. Underneath this video you'll see show more. Click that, will bring up description, and all links and everything related to this box will be down there. I do have a 10% off code, so I'll link that down below in description as well. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. So inside we've got the Elle magazine. So how much is it? Oh, it says £5.50. Elle's magazine's gone up in price. You get one of those every single month. I haven't even had a look yet. I've just come back from Greece and I've got a ton of boxes to unbox. So I thought I'd do the Look Fantastic one first. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. Having a sneak peek there, something smells absolutely gorgeous. So inside the box we always get a little booklet, and it tells you everything about the products that are inside the box, and they've started putting prices as well, which I think is really good, as I'm able to tot it up and give you an overall value at the end. We've got a sneak peek. Sometimes it tells you a sneak peek for the following month, and we've got a brush. So August sneak peek is a Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush. It's worth £26.50. Wow. There's that. That's what it looks like there. So if you're already subscribed, you'll be receiving one of these. But if not, and you want to take out a subscription, then yeah, you'll be getting this in your August box. So the theme for this month is the Hydration edition. And it says here, give skin the ultimate lit from within glow with our July edition of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. This month, we're helping you to give a complexion a boost with a skincare focus edition of the Beauty Box Edit, including 6 incredible beauty products. We're sharing our favourite ways to use the contents of the box and top tips to get the most out of them. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item then, it's this packet of something, Glow Makeup Remover for all types. Innovative fibre technology, reusable from 1 to 3 months. Complex skin care tool 5-in-1. You just add water. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. I'm guessing it's like one of those magic cloths. I've got a few of those and I love them. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice. That feels so nice. Can you see there? Oh wow, it's a little, like a little mitt. So you put it on, just add water and it gets your makeup off naturally. Oh, that's a little bit different, I like that. This is by Glove and it's on the go Hydra cleanser, and it's worth £11.90. Effortlessly cleanse skin without a cleanser with the Glove on the go cleansing glove. Utilising microtechnology, this cleansing glove contains star-shaped fibres up to 30 times thinner than a cotton pad, boasting antibacterial electrostatic properties that absorb makeup and dirt like a magnet. And it just says moisten the cleansing glove and gently rub over your skin to remove makeup and cleanse skin. I really like that. So that's our first item. So next product, and we've got a mask, and this is Gold Eye Brightening and Firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid, and this is by Vitamasks. I can only just see the writing there. You might not be able to see it. But that's what that looks down there. Tried a few Vitamars masks, and they're really nice. So this is worth £5.99, and it says designed to plump and depuff tired under eyes. These eye pads instantly hydrate and cool skin. Made with real gold extract to brighten and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm. These pads leave delicate skin surrounding the eyes soothed and radiant. Apply to dry and clean under eyes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into the skin. So there's that item there. Next we got a Apothecary Associates London Revive Body Gel. Refreshing and invigorating, 40 mils. Ooh, a body gel. To me that instantly sounds like a sort of after sun sort of cooling gel. I need to smell it. Oh whoa, it just smells of like lots and lots of aromatherapy smells. That's lovely. This product is worth £12, and it says refresh the body and mind with this invigorating gel treatment. Infused with grapefruit, rosemary and juniper essential oil, stimulates circulation and reduces fluid retention, leaving skin soft and supple. I keep saying subtle. It's not subtle, it's supple. Perfect for the summer months. This quick drying gel cools the skin upon application. Apply a generous amount onto skin, massaging until completely absorbed. Oh, I could have taken that on holiday with me. That would have been amazing. I always retain a ton of water. My feet swell up. It's just the heat. Just the heat. Try and drink a ton of water, and that helps reduce it. And when I wake up in the morning, legs are back to normal, but by night time they're like tree trunks again. But having something like that I think would have been lovely, just to massage onto my like lower legs and feet. But yeah, no, that smells nice as well. So there's that item. Then we got a makeup product, and we have got a Ico London a Fat Eye Sticking Smoke. Intense colour and gloss finish. Whoa, oh my gosh, that colour's gorgeous. It's like a gunmetal. Can you see there? Let's try a bit. Oh, yeah, it is. It is really nice. Can you see? So it's like an off black, like a gunmetal, and a little bit shimmery as well. Oh yeah, you'll either get gilt, smoke or satin. So it's like a pale grey, a brown or a darker grey. So I've got the darker grey, the smoke, and these are worth £12, and it says create intense colour and glossy finish with the Ico Fat Eye Stick. Accentuate the eyes with this chubby crayon that delivers long wearing, highly pigmented colour with an easy to use twist up design. These jumbo pencils glide onto the eyes without tugging or dragging. Apply either as an eyeliner or blend across the lid for a diffused look. Yeah, that's what I would do with this, because it's quite creamy, and I think that would be quite nice to give like a smoky eye effect. So I just do like a fine line above my eyes and underneath. I think with my finger I might smoke it out a little bit too much, but with a little brush, like a little small rounded brush, and just gently buff that in, and then maybe use my finger. I think that'd be lovely. Just really, really nice. So yeah, no, I'm glad I got that colour as well, as that's a colour I would have chosen if I had the choice. Next we've got a product by Neobay, and this is Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Illuminating Micellar Water, and this is 200 mils. This is what it looks like there. This is worth £11. Purify, prepare and cleanse the skin with this natural micellar water, enriched with green tea to protect against environmental pollution, and aloe vera to rehydrate and soothe. This micellar water is suitable for all skin types. Apply to a cotton wool pad and used to remove impurities and makeup. So for me, generally I prefer more of a deep cleanse, so I tend to go for like creams and balms to get rid of my makeup. But I do like using micellar water, particularly by the side of my bed on nights when I just can't be bothered, because our bathroom's downstairs. So it just means if I'm already in bed, it just means getting up, going downstairs. So I like having sometimes wipes, but sometimes micellar water as well by the side of my bed, so at least I can grab something to take my makeup off. Now there's some that are better than others, so I am really excited to see what this is like, see how nice it feels on my skin. For me, what I'd be looking for is for it to leave my skin feeling nice, clean, fresh, and not a tacky sort of feel to it, you know. But no, I'm really happy to try that. So there's that item. And lastly, we got our sneak peek from last month, and it's Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. So this is 20 mils, and this is day cream for combination skin, advanced skincare. So that's what it looks like there. I absolutely love Elemis. Oh my gosh, I love Elemis. It's a really expensive brand. So one of the perks of having Look Fantastic is that I'm able to try these products, and sometimes you do tend to get different items from the range. So I've had serums, I've had moisturiser in the Marine Elemis Marine Collagen Cream, I think it's called, moisturiser. That is beautiful. I've tried a lot of Elemis and there's no way I would have tried it if I didn't have subscription boxes, so I'm always excited when we have one of these in the box. So what's it say? So this is worth £19.10, so I would say this is like a deluxe mini size or a deluxe travel size maybe. Formulated to provide continuous hydration, this day cream keeps the complexion soft and subtle. Supple! Supple! My gosh! Designed for normal to combination skin, this moisturiser contains meadowsweet extract to regulate oil production and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture. Apply to clean, dry skin every morning. I have normal to combination skin, so this suits me down to the T, so it's perfect for me. But I'd love to know your thoughts if you've received it and you've got like super dry or super greasy. Have you tried it? What's it like on your skins? And is it suitable for you? Do you find that it's okay? So those are all the items. So I'm just going to add them all up and I'll come back to you. So these are all the products inside July's Look Fantastic box. The box costs £15. The whole value comes to around £72–73, so way above the cost of the box, as you'd expect. But yeah, so we've got an Elemis, what's this, a Hydra Balance Day Cream. We've got a Gold Eye Mask by Vitamasks. We've got a Glove Makeup Remover Mitt. We've got a Nail Bay Micellar Water. Then we've got a Apothecaries Associates Body Gel. And what have we got down here? We've got an Ico Fat Eye Stick in shade Smoke. I am really impressed with this month. I think we've got some amazing products here. It seems quite luxury. We've got some amazing brands, but I don't know, I just really like it. I just think the products are really lovely. I think having this full-size bottle of micellar water, it's beautiful packaging and everything anyway, but having that in there is just really nice. And this glove, because we do have a lot of like cloths and exfoliating mitts and things in subscription boxes, but I've never tried anything like this, and this is super soft, super soft. We've got a mask, some day cream, body gel, and some makeup as well. I am honestly impressed with this month. I really, really like it. I think we've got some amazing products there and I can't wait to try them. The only negative I would say in this month's box is that this might be a bit of an awkward one. The Elemis, the day cream, might be a bit of an awkward one if you've got like extra dry skin or extra greasy skins. But as I said, I'd love to know your thoughts if you have received it and what it's like. But other than that, I just think it's a really well put together box and I can't wait to try it all. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you received this month's box? Are you thinking of subscribing? What do you think? Do you think it's worth the money? And yeah, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel for lots of videos to come. A load of unboxing videos. I've got about 9 in a row coming up so watch out for them. Take care. Bye.